This first logical candle strategy shows up every single day. Now for the first logical system setup to work. When the market opens at 9:15 a.m. on Nifty, what we want to do is let the first candle to play out. So currently we're on the 1-minute time frames, and we are letting the first 1-minute candle to develop. Now, after this candle has developed, we simply want to mark out the high of the first 1-minute candle and the low of the first 1-minute candle. Now all we want is Nifty to break out above first 1-minute candle high, then come back for a retest and move towards upside. Or if Nifty breaks below and retests first 1-minute candle low, we can be looking for a move towards downside. As we can see, Nifty broke above first candle high. Now we are getting this retest on our first 1-minute candle high. Before entering into a position, we always wait for strong buyers to show up and the candle to close, as only after the candle closes, we will know that strong buyers are there on top of our 1-minute high. And on this retest candle is a hammer candle, which indicates strong buyers are present. So that's our entry confirmation, and we enter into a long positions. Our stop loss is this candle low, as this is the candle which broke out above 1-minute high. And our targets will be minimum 3R. 3R means if we are risking 100 rupees, we want to make 300 rupees. Now let's see what Nifty actually does. We can see after we entered on this next candle also, strong buyers had stepped in. As this lower wick shows us that sellers tried to bring Nifty below our entry candle. But from this low, buyers aggressively stepped in and closed right here. We can see on this candle also, sellers tried to bring Nifty below first 1-minute high. But this wick again shows us buyers held Nifty above first 1-minute high. So buyers are trying to hold Nifty above our first 1-minute high. This shows us when Nifty goes above first 1-minute high. Usually markets tends to trends in the direction of the breakout. It can be above 1-minute candle high or below the 1-minute candle low. Let's see what happens. We can see Nifty is making a brand new high. Now what we want for Nifty is to create higher highs and higher lows and move towards upside. Now that's exactly what we are getting here. First we put in a high right here and a low here. Then this higher high and this higher low. And finally this higher high and a higher low. This is what is called an uptrend, as we are continuously making these higher highs and higher lows and moving towards the upside. On top of that, strong buyers held Nifty above first 1-minute high right here. From here we have this move to high of day. Now let's see what happens. We can see now Nifty is coming back to where we have first entered. But we can see again, strong buyers are showing up right here and pushing Nifty into new high of the day. So we don't close our positions until we hit profit targets or our stop loss. Now we have a new higher high and higher low. We can see the trend is super bullish and we're continuing to move towards upside. Now we can look to mark out the 5-minute order block. This is where the big banks and institutions are entering into the trades, because an order block is where the most liquidity is on the charts. Therefore, price mostly holds this area as support for moving towards upside. Let's quickly see how to draw an order blocks. Number 1, we identify a trend on 1 minute. Here we have bullish trend, as we have these higher highs and higher lows. This is a clear indication that the Nifty is moving towards upside. Now we know the trend is bullish. The second step, we come to 5-minute time frames to mark out the order block. Then the third step is to fully mark out the last down closed candle in this uptrend. As we can see, this is the last red candle. Of course, only I have changed it to black, but this is last red bearish candle in this bullish trend. Therefore, in the uptrend, this is what our order block would be. We can see Nifty broke above the order block to high of day. And also, we are coming back for a retest on this order block. We can see strong buyers are stepping up and trying to hold Nifty above the 5-minute order block. We have this strong close now. Let's see if they can hold Nifty to the upside. We can see sellers trying to dip Nifty into the top of the order block. But this wick shows us buyers have overpowered the sellers and closed above the order block. But can they actually push price higher? Let's see. We can see price now pulling back into bottom of our 5-minute order block. And we see sellers are trying to break Nifty below the order block. But we can see from this lower wick right here, when sellers tried to push Nifty outside the order block, buyers overpower the sellers and are stepping up aggressively, which indicates strong buyers are stepping up, trying to overpower the sellers. And also buyers are closing the candles so strongly above our 5-minute order block. Now we can look for Nifty to push higher. Now we really see how strongly the buyers have stepped up. Also, this is where we have first entered. We can see right here on this candle, Nifty took out our profits targets, which is our yesterday's lows. Click on this video to watch yesterday's highs and lows strategy. God is great.